Hi everyone, I just want to make this quick video to show you how to do automatic refresh in the browser. I've made a blog post about this on my website matthewseward.com, but I also wanted to show you via video. So normally in a project, by default, it's going to be manual refresh. So if you have an HTML file, for instance, and you want to change the title here, let's say to automatic refresh, you'll see that the title doesn't change, and to change it you got to hit refresh to get it to change. So to make it automatic, what you can do, so we can switch this back, document, and then we're gonna just go back to where we were. You're gonna wanna add an extension called live server. So you're gonna go to extensions in the left sidebar. You're gonna then search for live server. It more than likely will be the first option that comes up. It's gonna be the one from Ritwick Day. You're gonna wanna click on that and install it. When you install, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner this go live. So that means it's installed correctly. And what we can do instead is click on go live. It's going to load this up in the browser. And now when we want to update anything in our document, such as the title, you'll see that it automatically changes in the tab there. So that's how you set up live server. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to check out the blog post if you have any questions.